Hi, thanks for choosing PUQ Press. In this video, we will help you install your new PUQ Press. The PUQ Press comes with an Allen key, wrench, power cord, manual, and a quick start guide. The tool you need during the following instruction is the wrench that comes with the PUQ Press. Start with loosening the two screws by using the wrench. Adjust the lower clamp to your portafilter by using the adjusting wheel. Tighten the two screws by using the wrench. Test fit with your portafilter. That's too wiggly. Let's try again. Loosen the two screws by using the wrench. Adjust the lower clamp to your portafilter and tighten the two screws. Let's try again. Excellent. It fits nice and snugly. Install the power cord. Turn on the PUQ Press. And set the desired tamping pounds or kilograms. Let's tamp.